Namaste, myself Professor K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, subject Animal Diversity, and the topic is Reproductive System of the Phyla. Reproductive system of phyla. Of the phyla. Phyla is dioecious, but sexual dimorphism is poorly marked. The male has a much more developed copulatory organ than those of female. So first, we will discuss about the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system comprises of testis, vas efferentia, vas deferens, vesicula seminalis, penis and hypobranchial gland. ठीक है, testis, vas efferentia, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, penis. First, we will discuss about the testis. The testis lies in close contact with the hepatic gland. This is the testis, hepatic gland, and occupy the upper 2 or 3 hole of the shell. The testis is a single plate-like structure and is more or less triangular in outline. It is cream in color. Many fine ducts, the vas efferentia, originate from the testis, unite together to open into a vas deferens. कि टेस्टिस से जो छोटी छोटी डक्ट्स निकलती हैं दे यूनाइट टुगेदर, जिन्हें आप वास एफरेंसिया कहोगे, एंड ये आपस में ज्वाइंट होकर के दे ओपन इनटू द vas deferens. The vas deferens is divided into the 3 parts: upper tubular part, terminal glandular part, and a curved blind tube called vesicula seminalis. ठीक है. The upper tubular part is narrow and thin-walled. Terminal glandular part is thick-walled, which run forward on the left side of the rectum. It finally opened by male genital aperture. This is the male genital aperture. ठीक है, ये सिंगल ट्यूब है, यहाँ पर ये थिक ट्यूब होती है और ओपन किसके थ्रू हो रही है? मेल जेनाइटल अपर्चर. वेसिकुला सेमिनलिस, द सेमिनल वेसिकल is somewhat curved swollen structure with a blind rounded posterior prolongation and is situated between the junction of the 2 parts of the vas deferentia. कि ट्यूबुलर पार्ट और ग्लैंडुलर पार्ट के जंक्शंस, part of the vas deferens. It serves as a storehouse of the sperms. The penis is present in the form of a whip-like flagellum, which is partially ensheathed by the penis sheath and situated on the right side of the body near the metal opening. Okay. Penis. The penis sheath is simple outgrowth from the inner surface of the mental. Penis is capable of great extension. At the base of the penis sheath is an oval glandular thickening. The hypobranchial gland consists of tall cell consisting small basal nuclei, and the phyla secrete or produce 2 types of spermatozoa: eupyrine, oligopyrene. Eupyrine type, which is pear-shaped; oligopyrene type, which is worm-like. Eupyrine type is functional and is capable of fertilizing the egg. दो तरह के स्पर्म्स प्रोड्यूस करेगा, आपके यूपाइरिन और दूसरे आपके कौन से, ओलिगोपाइरिन, पाइरिन. So these eupyrin are the function. Then come on the female reproductive system. Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of ovary, oviduct, seminal receptacle, uterus, vagina. These are the 5 parts of the female reproductive system. The ovary, first we discuss about the ovary. In female phyla occupy the same position as the testis of the male but is less extensive and lie toward the inner side of the hepatic gland. Same position है जहाँ पे testis present थे. It is much branched, orange color structure. Female gonoduct या oviduct which is differentiated. इसके बाद ovary के बाद है oviduct. Oviduct differentiated into the upper tubular part, come down along the edge of hepatic gland. The lower glandular part remain on the floor of the mental cavity parallel to the rectum. The glandular part is distinguishable into a yellow colored albumin gland which secrete albumin and the posterior part is distinguished as the uterus. इसको हम uterus कहेंगे. As the uterus. Uterus is large, yellow and pear-shaped, lying in the body whole below the intestine and to the right of the renal chamber. At the junction of tubular and glandular portion of the oviduct, there is a seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle, ठीक है, यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट होता है, या आप कह सकते हो receptaculum seminalis. या spermatheca, where spermatozoa remains stored. The terminal part of the uterus is differentiated into the vagina. The vagina is a white, cream-colored, band-like tube running forward just under the skin. It opened by a narrow, slit-like aperture behind the anus. The male intromittent organ, the penis, is present in female, which is rudimentary and functionless. Few hundred eggs are laid at the time and they adhere together to form a mass. The eggs are fertilized by spermatozoa coming from the spermatheca. Fertilization is internal and oviposition begins a day or two after copulation. The zygote receive albumin and a coating of shell in the uterus. Existence of a rudimentary penis in female is suggestive of the fact that this group had hermaphroditic ancestor. This is all about the male and female reproductive system of the phyla. This session is powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Thank you.